Your cells are rotting while you sleep. Every night, cellular garbage piles up inside you. Damaged proteins, broken mitochondria, toxic waste. Scientists measured it. Most people's cellular cleanup runs at maybe 30% capacity. You wake up exhausted because your body spent 8 hours drowning in its own debris. But Tibetan monks in mountain monasteries maintained mental clarity into their 90s. When researchers put them in sleep labs, their cellular repair markers were off the charts. The difference? A 6-minute breathing pattern they did before bed. Tonight, I'm giving you exactly what they did. Why your sleep isn't healing you. In 2016, a Japanese scientist named Yoshinori Ohsumi won the Nobel Prize in medicine. He discovered autophagy. That's your body's self-cleaning system. Your cells literally eat and recycle their own damaged parts. It should happen every night while you sleep. But autophagy doesn't turn on automatically. It needs a trigger. The monks knew the trigger. They called it the breath that cleans the subtle body. Modern science calls it parasympathetic activation. Same thing, different words. When you shift into parasympathetic mode before sleep, you send a signal to every cell. Time to clean house. The 4-4-8 Cellular Cleanup Breath. Here's the exact protocol. Do this 6 minutes before you close your eyes. Lie in bed, lights off, eyes closed. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Feel your belly expand, about 80% capacity. Don't force it. Hold gently for 4 counts. Notice the stillness. Exhale through your mouth for 8 counts, slow and controlled. Feel tension leave your shoulders, your jaw, your whole body. That long exhale is the key. It activates your vagus nerve, shifts you into repair mode. Repeat for 6 minutes. That's about 15 cycles. The monks did this for 1,200 years. Now you know why it worked. Here's something interesting. What if you could feel calm before sleep without having to count anything? Snap Tap Relax uses remote relaxation technology. Upload your photo once, activate a session, then put your phone away or turn it completely off. People report feeling noticeably calmer without doing anything. Free to try. Link below. What happens next? Nights 1 through 3, you'll fall asleep faster. Most people drop off in 5 minutes instead of 30. Week 1, you wake up different. That brain fog that usually takes an hour to clear, gone in 15 minutes. Weeks 2 through 4, the cellular benefits show up. Sustained energy, mental clarity that lasts into evening. Your body is finally cleaning itself the way it was designed to. This isn't magic. It's measurable cellular biology triggered by nervous system regulation. The monks were right. Science just explained why. Try this tonight. Comment Day 1 inch below. Come back tomorrow and tell me how you slept. Subscribe for more ancient protocols backed by modern science. Tonight, you activate the breath that cleans your cells.